We need to go to the agency headquarters downtown. Your new friends are a riot. The one you said sayonara to the old crew. Walking away ain't easy, Trev. Sometimes I... The extraction point is on the west side of the building.
You fuck around while I'm out there. I'll climb you with it. Yeah.
Who the fuck is this? Terminate him! Close this problem right now!
Yeah, I can use a little backup here.
36 flow. Gotcha.
We are... Don't shoot me!
We got a window, T! Pull us out!
They're extracting the asset! Help! Shooters across the...
Hey, we need to be...
I can't get a shot at...
Stuck in a carnival game? Stop your whining! You're like a chubby, stubbly, hormonal teenage girl!
That's it! Get us out of here!
Roger that! Whoa! Looks like we attracted the attention of their air unit. You got a bogey coming at you, Franklin!
I thought I had the easy job.
Float out of the sky! Just saying! Just strap in, you'll be fine! Land immediately and await instruction, we will! Hey! Don't hit anyone on the way down! No! He may be old, but he's still got teeth! One left! Surround him!
I'm slipping!
You're good! Sit back and enjoy the ride! Suicide pact! That was about right! Okay, T, take us back to the lot! That's affirmative!
Oh, fuck no! Let's go. Where are we? Go easy on him. Thank you. Oh, he's safe.
It's over on the other dock. So they've been guarding one of them dry docks. We can take a look at it, but no one's allowed around there.
Normal rules don't apply to us, Floyd. We're going in.
I don't know. Rules applied to me my whole life. I like rules.
And look at you. You're a failure. You're in a loveless relationship.
What do you mean? Loveless? I love Deborah.
If she loved you, she'd be here, wouldn't she? But she's not.
It's on the other side of Port City. So they've been guarding one of them dry docks. We can take a look at it, but no one's allowed around there.
Normal rules don't apply to us, Floyd. We're going in.
I don't know. Rules applied to me my whole life. I like rules.
And look at you. You're a failure. You're in a loveless relationship.
What do you mean? Loveless? I love Deborah.
If she loved you, she'd be here, wouldn't she? But she's not.
You know I'm insecure. You sure you can operate this vehicle? You know I'm insecure.
You've got a dead-end job.
What? Dead end? No.
Floyd, it's dead end.
Being a unionized longshoreman's one of the best paying jobs in the country. You tell people around La Puerta that's what you do, they're liable to rob you. They're so jealous.
No one's jealous of you, Floyd. They pity you. You're abused by that woman. You're abused by these slave drivers. I mean, I've never worked so hard in my life.
It ain't so bad. I've been doing this every day for 10 years, only usually with less of the criminality.
You're wasting your life, Floyd. It's lucky we turned up when we did. I'm saving you from yourself.
We ain't heard from Wade.
What are you, his mother? He's fine.
The spillage shouldn't take this long to contain. There must be a lot of it.
Hey! You can't come through.
Sorry, you're gonna have to go it alone. What in the name of